Week 3 SCDA. We're playing my boy DJS. Oh boy. This is not going to go well. Koraidon and Heatran might be the death of me. They really might be. But we make do with what we can. Alright. The Scarf Kyuremite. You can't see it, but... And plan A is to use that. Use that Scarf. I like to lead these two. I want A-Bomb and I want Azumarill. That's plan A. Let's see how plan A goes. It's already button clicked. True man. Okay, let's see what we got. That stupid version. Although he leads. So he's gonna set Tailwind. I can't eat berries, it's fine. I don't know if I have berries this week. Not that I know of. I might just go for Raw Blizzard. Just yeet. Use Iron Head. It's Fairy Enam, so he's faking out that. Okay. Let's hit this Blizzard. One time. One time, hit the Enamorous. That's perfect. This one's stupid. We're just clicking buttons here. High on fire. Oh, that's Heatran. Air Balloon, that's annoying. Right. Okay. So this is gonna go to Azumarill. And this is going to... This is going to protect on a Heat Wave. And then I have... This could be my Terra. It's also just going to die to Heatran. Alright, I'll let Azumarill eat a Heat Wave. I don't want my Kyurem in here. I need to get this thing to Terra, and then I can just flip moves into it. Snarl, okay. Azumarill is going to take this like a champ. Will-O-Wisp into the Shreds. Okay. Okay, so I could break the balloon and then probably just accept the fact that this thing is kind of useless this game, and I'm playing to Kyurem for... So I just need to get rid of this stupid Heatran and Kyurem wins. I will do it. It will die. What is Persian gonna do to me? He's revealed Fake Out and Snarl so far. Does he have Charm? He does. Honestly, all Azu's doing here is breaking this stupid balloon. That is all it's doing. Who's Terra in this game? Probably Kyurem. Yeah, I just need to do as much damage as possible to this stupid piece of garbage. Okay, so that breaks the... Oh wait, it's just dead. Right? Yeah, it's just dead. Alright. Flame Body. Okay. That did come up at one point, so that's good to know. So I can hit it with Charm. It's fine. I should have this game with Kyurem and Abomasnow. Should, in air quotes. Okay. So there's the bad boy. I don't want him to flame charge, that's the problem. If he flame charges, I could be screwed. Alright, my Terra is not gonna be on either of these Pokemon. Maybe I should have broken the sash on Persian. Okay, there's Terra Fairy Groudon, and that's what this Iron Head Indoor Groudon does. So this is gonna hurt him. I'm just worried about Flame Charge. That's really all I'm worried about. Oh. Okay. How did that do nothing? Oh, I'm burned. I forgot I was burned. Alright. Let's Aqua Jet here. Let's just go for Iron Head flinches. That's fine. Just needed to break a sash. So Swords Dance, Protect, Collision Course, and it's either Flame Charge or Flare Blitz. If it's Flame Charge, I'm very much not in good shape. But if it's not, then we're fine. So now we're just going to double this again. Okay, always playing to flinches. There's Collision Course, that should KO something. I killed Bubble Drain. Azu is dead. Okay. So I think this is Kyurem. Terra Fairy, Blizzard, Obama Snow. That's fine. I just need the stupid cat to die. If the cat dies, they think I have it. How did it live? Alright. So that's Kyurem Wake getting another kill. Persian died. Oh, he just learned out his scope. That's good to know. I mean, it doesn't matter, but... yeah, because he went after A-Bomb and... yeah, so he sees the speeds. Alright, win game one. Or should. He should have went for Protect. Okay. Alright. Kyurem with the carry. Two things died to Collision Course there. And I think that's it, yeah. Azumarill and Abomasnow both died to Collision Course. Okay, good. So it's... the Persian I really don't care about at all. I did catch the Enamorous. Which is good. Should have brought Will-O-Wisp on. Alright. Now I think we go with Missy, Ensign. I want to go Misdreavus. But I also want these two. I don't want Bubble Drain. I'm gonna leave Abomasnow, I think. And just bring Kyurem. Although Blizzard Spam was very good, and it still is. Persian can taunt, but I can fake it out, is the idea. And it's Flame Body on Heatran, so Instant can hit it with fire moves, which is good to know. I guess that's why he's Water Heatran instead of Grass Heatran. But you wouldn't want to be Grass Heatran anyway and do an Ice mashup, so I see it. Alright. We'll go with the Trick Room plan, see if that works. See what he leads. Cat and... okay, good. That's what I wanted. Well, I don't know if I wanted it, but... Unnerved, so I can't eat berries. Intimidate. Okay. I'm just gonna taunt. Yeah, you can't taunt me. Okay, that's fine. So let's see if I can taunt this. Yep, I got it. Let's see that Spore. Or knockoff. Nope, it's Spore. Got him. Alright. Now, he is gonna go for Dark Move into Missy. But I don't really care. Let's go Trick Room, Parting Shot. Okay. If this is Clear Amulet, this actually sucks. He taunted me back. Rude. Clear Amulet, yeah. Now I'm the one in trouble. Kinda. That's killing Instant. Okay. But now I go back to you. Yeah, I don't think I won this game. This Trick Room stuff did not work. It's kind of funny. Okay, I got rain up. That's a start. Missed the Azumarill? Oh? Wait. So you're telling me there's a chance. Azu died. Azu took its own life. Okay, Collision Course into nothing. Nothing. Yeah. I want to see what this last move is on Dragon Force here. I want to see the last move. Show it to me. That did a lot. That didn't have to. So I guess he's not showing it to me. Yep, he didn't bother showing it to me, which is probably good on his end, so alright. I just need to Blizzard spam. I mean, there's always fake out Kiram. He's gonna lead Persian. He's been doing that. I think taunting is probably good. So I can go like these two. Leave Azu. Yeah, I think so. I think this is the play. I think Mischievous is here just to taunt the Bonnet. Because Bonnet's extremely annoying. But if he goes Cat, then I have to make a different play. Cat and Churn. Okay. Let's break that balloon. Yep, it's fine. Okay. I'm faster with Missy. That's good to know. And he goes for Heat Wave. Okay. What's the terror on this thing? Water, Rage Powder, Spore, Sucker Punch. I really don't want to go to sleep right now. The cat's gonna snarl me. I can probably just go back to pivot through. Okay. I need Mushroom dead, so I'm gonna freeze dry the Mushroom. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna double it. Yachi Berry? Oh god. Freeze or flinch? Freeze or flinch, come on. Freeze or flinch. I need a freeze or a flinch. Very badly. Come on. Flinch, 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 flinch. Alright, so... That should have been high horsepower, I think. Because now it can just go into Heatran. Okay, so Kyurem's gonna kill it. I need to pivot now. Through Misdreavus. It doesn't really matter. I need to pivot anyway. It doesn't change the fact that I need to pivot. There's the boy. I wonder if he terras. Probably does. I'm gonna Iron Head, and I'm gonna pivot through Missy. Okay, that's killing. So, Koraidon with its 5th kill. Shred's died. And now we just go to Kyurem. I'm gonna Terra Fairy the Kyurem, I think. Okay. This is still going to hurt you. And Abomasnow will probably be faster than Heatran. That's me. Okay, so he protected. No, he terrored. Okay. So, I have freeze outs to win. I did half. That thing's strong. Yes! I called it. Come on, stay frozen. Wild Charge. Okay. We found the last move, it's Wild Charge. But, unfortunately, the spamming is coming. Yep. Heatran's gonna die. I'm gonna go Kyurem to Missy. That's funny. I think Abomasnow's faster, so I don't think it matters. Yeah, it didn't matter. My 2 freezes didn't matter. Alright, but I think I have an endgame now. So the play is Kyurem to Misdreavus. Actually, wait, he can't kill Raging Blade. Hold on. 3 turns of snow. Yeah, he's not killing Raging Blade. I'm just gonna button click. Yeah. Wild Charge isn't killing me. Yeah, do your worst. Alright. Blizzard. Nightshade. Yep, so this needs to kill the cat, which I think it will now. So this cat needs to die. Oh shoot, I erased Kiram's kills. I'll have to rewatch this. Shoot. So there's 2 turns left to snow. But I think I have it. Whew. That was a good one, DJ. That was a good one. Caradon had me worried, but yeah. 3-0 start. I like it, you know. Back to Premier Ball. Just back to what I was doing. Huge match. Huge match. GG's, well played. And we're gonna keep the train rolling. We got week 4, and then actually we might be 1 or 2 wins away from clinching playoffs. 5 wins is clinched, so if we get to 4-0, we're in good shape. But anyways, thank you for watching, and yeah, let's get it.